to 6110 Challedon Circle in beautiful Mount Airy. This home is located in the premier golf course community of the Links at Challedon and is primarily situated on a level 2-acre lot that backs to the first fairway, that has a nice level backyard, large deck, paver patio that is complemented by mature landscaping that provides beauty, privacy, and is just a quick walk to the neighborhood clubhouse and restaurant. There's lots of room for many cooks in this spacious gourmet kitchen, featuring an abundance of cabinetry, stainless appliances, this large window that overlooks the backyard, lots of granite counter space, which is perfect for meal preparation, and an island where you'll enjoy making special memories with your friends and family. Imagine hosting the holidays and special meals in this delightful dining room. Work from home? We've got you covered. This open and airy space is filled with natural light, and you'll love the short commute. The grand 2-story family room is open to the living room and the kitchen, which makes this home ideal for gathering and entertaining. And upstairs, there's 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and hardwood flooring throughout. The owner's bedroom features a cathedral ceiling, a sitting area, and 2 walk-in closets. The owner's bathroom features 2 separate vanities, a jetted tub, a large tiled shower, and a water closet. The fully finished basement features a cozy gas fireplace, walkout door to the yard, an inviting rec room where you can get comfy and watch your favorite shows. There's a game room, an exercise room, and a full bathroom.